Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. Happy 4th to everybody. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Big Ben, and I day trade and swing trade full time. I do this Monday through Friday. And right now, basically, we are in a downtrend, and me and my students been pretty much making money on the downside. So if that's something that you want to do, definitely hit the subscribe button. Welcome to my channel. And during the live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And if you want to speed up time, if you actually watching the replay, you can actually go to settings, speed, and hit 1.5 or 2. You can actually speed up time. So let's get this thing started. Okay, let's see if anybody's here. Okay, nobody's here. This is 4th of July, so I'm quite sure that people are with their family. Okay, I see Brendan. What's going on? All right. Brendan, Ashley, how you doing? Happy 4th to everybody. This is going to be a quick live stream because right now I'm babysitting. So at any moment, my daughter could wake up. So I had to go right back to taking care of my daughter. So this is going to be a quick stream, and we're going to go over the chart and see what's going on. So I'm just going to wait for a couple of people to come in. We're going to wait for a lot of more people to come in. Hey, what's going on, John? What's going on, PP, Ivan, Troy? Everybody's looking. I'm sorry, everybody can hear me. Yes, happy 4th to everybody. Yeah, happy 4th to everybody. Can you hear me though on my volume? I just want to know the audio is good, guys. I just want to know the audio is good. Okay, so we get this thing started. So, okay, sounds good. Okay, no problem. All right. So, someone asked me, do you think this is a correction up? I just think this is a regular pullback. Right now, it's just basically the bulls coming in because we are at a key level right here. So you have to expect that the market will reverse. So yes, I do think that this is just a regular pullback. And the volume is still low, just like I think Troy said that. Let me see who said that. Yes, the volume, Troy said that. So the volume is still low, guys. Everything's still intact. So you have to understand that this is not real buying at all. It's just bots buying the market, and that's about it. So let's go to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. What's going on? Who else is in the building? John, Troy, of course. Tom, how you doing, Ben? How you doing, Tom? Left lane, how you doing? Antoine, what's going on? So guys, this might be what's going on, Body? What's going on, Giovanni? Happy 4th to everybody. Happy 4th. This might be a quick stream because my daughter is sleeping right now and I'm babysitting. So she wakes up, I might have to. I'm going to drop the stream. So hopefully she doesn't wake up anytime soon. But just letting you guys know, heads up. She wakes up, I gotta end the stream. Okay. So right now, Giovanni said, I'm with the family. Just wanted to say hi. Yes. So shout out to Giovanni. He's with the family. Okay. So thanks for stopping by. And hopefully, hope that you have a great day. Okay. So yeah, guys. Basically, this is a regular pullback at any market. You have to understand that markets have pullbacks. Right now, a lot of people are screaming 10,000 and this is the reversal, going to the moon. And how many times we saw these pullbacks during this bear market? We see these pullbacks all the time. We can go on the chart and we can look at these pullbacks all the time. Okay. So we have this, you see this deep pullback right here, right? A lot of people thought this was the bottom and reversed. Right here, a lot of people thought this was a double bottom, and it went up, and then went right back down. So you have to understand, guys, these pullbacks are it's just a part of the market. We can't control it. Right now, when we was going down, we had multiple pullbacks, and also, you know, right now just the market's going up. So you just have to be patient and wait. We had 5 winners in a row, so you have to understand the market is like a rubber band. Okay, when it stretches out, it's going to snap back. So right now it's snapping back. It's not going to go down in a straight line. So you have to understand that. That's why. So anybody that was trying to short anytime soon, you probably might want to put a small position on. Yeah, 7K. Yes, exactly. So shout out to Left Lane. 7K to me, which 7K, put it like this, around this area right here, we want to, it's going to be some type of resistance, right? So that would be around 7K would be around here, this one right here. So this zone I'm looking for right here. So if the BTC comes up, hold on, let me if BTC goes up in this zone right here, I definitely expect some type of resistance. Okay, now can it break this? Of course. So we have resistance right here, but to be honest with you, I don't think these guys want to even bring it up this high. That's just my personal opinion. Can it go up this high? Yes, of course. I don't think they want to bring it up that high. Also, I don't even think they want to even go back to 9,000 no more, because a lot of people are very, very happy that the market is going up, but we haven't even gone to 9,000 yet. You know, so for the bulls that's out here, you have to be careful, and you can't just get hyped, because trust me, all the mistakes that you're making right now, I made them already. So for you guys that's trying to pick these bottoms, be careful. We didn't even go up to 9,000 yet, and people calling this the reversal, and we're going to the moon. You know, so right now, like I said before, 7,000 to me, like Left Lane and Troy said, I believe that 7,000 around here, this level right here, is going to be real resistance. But we can actually break it if the buyers want to break it a little bit more. We can break it. We might find resistance right here, because this resistance, if you notice, if we keep on heading down, this resistance is going to line up with this trend line right here. So this resistance is going to line up with this trend line right here. So this right here, what might be a lot of resistance right here. So me personally, I don't think they will go up this high, but if they do, a lot of resistance is right here. Okay. But the bear market is still intact. Don't let these guys fool you. I've been doing this so many times. I've been trying to pick bottoms and tops. Lost a lot of accounts like that. That's a dangerous game. So you don't want to be that guy, okay? What's going on, Dom? What's going on, Glenn? Happy 4th. Yes, happy 4th to everybody, okay? Happy 4th. I'm glad that everybody's here. Rufus, what's going on? Okay, audio loud and clear. Thanks a lot, man. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Thanks a lot, though. Thanks a lot for coming in, Dom. For the people that just coming in, I let you guys, I let the people that came in earlier, I let them know that I'm babysitting. So at any moment, I might have to get off the stream to go back to my daughter if she wakes up. So right now she's sleeping. Hopefully she will continue to sleep for at least 45 minutes. But just letting you guys know. So yeah, so this is what I'm looking for, guys. I'm looking at this. Like you say, go to CoinMarketCap. The bias is still low. You know, until I see real buying, you know, instead of these bots buying, until I see real buying, then I'm going to be convinced. Until then, I'm always going to be bearish, okay? Because the market is still pointing down. The market is still pointing down. We're going to have pullbacks. You see it in the past. You know, we're going to have pullbacks, okay? That's just how the market works. but the market is still pointing down. We are in July and we're still going down. So that's more than a half of the year. And if you know anything about the market, if it's going down more than half of the year, most likely it will continue to go down the end of the year, okay? Exactly, Dom. Don't believe anything your favorite YouTuber say, because basically he's trying to get some views, okay? So right now, I know I saw a couple of videos saying 10K. We want to go to 10K. But I don't think most people understand what's going on behind the scenes. I don't think most people understand why we are in the bear market. I don't think people just really get it. I don't think people really get it why we are in the bear market. This is not a regular bear market like, last time. We are in the bear market because the government sees what's going on. They know a lot of people are basically making money. They know people are getting scammed. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, and the government is trying to clean this thing up. So I tell you right now, the government is trying to lock this stuff down. So in the process, they're trying to regulate things. The market has to continue to go down. That's how it works. So like I said, that's why it's weird. Like when I go on YouTube, it's like nobody's is understanding that. Okay, we are in a bear market for a reason. This is not a bear market just because we want to go down. No, the government is basically cracking down. That's why you see John McAfee tweeted out, guys, I'm done with these ICOs, because if I continue to do these ICOs, the government going to arrest me. Right? He's telling you guys that. So this is not a regular bear market, guys. This is a bear market where cryptocurrencies is basically fighting the government. The government said, okay, you had your run. You had your good run. 10 years plus, y'all made your $1 million, but now we cracking things down, and basically we shutting a lot of these scam coins. So you just gotta be patient. These are just regular pullbacks in a bear market. Regular pullbacks in a bear market, okay? Shout out to everybody that's on the stream. Thank you for joining me, July 4th. Happy 4th to everybody. What's going on, businessman? What's going on, Rec? Okay. Exactly. Left lane. Shout out to Ricardo. All right. So thank you everybody for joining this chat on 4th of July. I'm gonna make this quick. My daughter is sleeping right now, and at any moment she can wake up. So definitely gonna try to make this quick as possible. But just want to thank everybody for coming in and join the chat. So let's see what's going on in the chat room. Businessman, what is that? What are you talking about? BTC is a game. BTC market is like a game, like any other. Is a game like any other. Exactly. You play to win. Investments get in. Exactly. So what's going on? Happy 4th to you, Drev. No, that's Dr. Evil, I believe. So Rex said, when do you see the completion of a regulation? I don't know. Probably years to come. Probably, if not next year, probably another 2 years. Oh, you talking about real estate investment trust? You talking about investing in a trust where people talking about giving you a certain percentage. So you invest in a group, a real estate group, and they give you a certain percentage. That's what you're talking about. So Dr. Evil said, "Do you have do you have do you have let me see, do you have a timeline for getting out the bear market?" No, not really. I don't have a timeline. I just know that if the market is keep on pointing down, then I'm gonna keep on shorting. It's just that simple. But at the same time, I just understand how bear markets work. It just don't reverse like that. It can last for years. So how long are we going to be pointing down? We don't know. But until then, I will keep on shorting if this market continues to point down. Let's go back to the chat room. Yeah, so real estate right now for passive income, for dividends, me personally, I wouldn't. I mean, you can do that, but I will look for buying properties and building cash flow from the properties. But that's if you have a lot of capital to buy the capital. I mean, property. You know, that's the thing with real estate. Sometimes with real estate, you need a lot of capital to buy it. You know, so, but I'd rather buy the property and have cash flow coming in rather than having it you know, doing the way you was talking about. So Miguel said, is this too risky to short? Yeah, right now you probably just have to chill out. Right now you probably just have to chill out. Yes, it's right now. Just chill out right now. Just wait till the market try to go down and show that sellers is coming back in the market. Because right now, yes, it's pretty much risky. So we have to wait, because right now I believe the market wants to go to this area right here, and then we have to wait to see if they basically form resistance. And I think that's what's going to happen. I think we're going to have resistance right there. So we just got to wait, guys. So let me go back to the chat room. Hey, what's going on, buddy? Thanks everybody for coming through on July 4th. Happy 4th to everybody. And once again, people that don't know, I'm babysitting right now. My daughter is asleep, and if she wakes up anytime, at any moment, I will have to. I basically have to get off the live stream. So just letting you guys know that. So let's go to TRX. Let's see what TRX is doing. It sounds like it's about to thunder over here, like about to rain. Let me see. Yeah, so TRX basically it's still looking weak. I mean, overall, the market's propping up, but it might find resistance right here. You notice that you notice that this was support right here, guys, on TRX. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. So notice that we found support right here, right? We bounced up. Now it broke below support. So anytime it breaks below support and it comes back to this area could be resistance. So right now, this area could be resistance. So we'll see. We'll see what's going on with Tron. But don't get it twisted, guys. Don't get it twisted. The sellers are still in control. Litecoin is basically hitting the channel, so we'll see if this Litecoin is going to roll over. Let's see. Let me see how the 4 hour looking. So Litecoin is holding the channel, but we'll see. Because like I said before, we've been going down for pretty much the whole month last month. So this pullback, I definitely had to expect some type of pullback. We hit this major support right here, so I definitely had to expect something because we've been going down for a long time. So just be patient. Hey, what's going on, GR? So GR said, I'm loving the program. Let me hit the cha-ching button for GR. Thanks for supporting the channel. So yeah, businessman, yes. For me right now, it's just I focused on trying to build short-term income. And once you get good at that short-term income will fund everything. Okay. You can actually do some long-term stuff now, but just think about it. If you put all your money into anything long-term, that means that you're tying up your money. And at the stage that most of the guys are at right now, businessman, at the stage that we are right now, we don't have the luxury to tie up our money. This is why I tell people buy and hold strategy is it's not really a good main strategy, because what it does, it basically ties up your money. Okay, so we don't have the luxury to tie up our money because we don't have $10 million in the bank. If we had $10 million in the bank, then we can play around with. We can put a lot in a long-term investments. But right now, I tell people, try to focus on your short-term income. I don't care what it is. I don't care if you try to buy and sell on eBay. I don't care if you try to do anything. I don't care. Yes. So right now, of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. It's entertainment only. But right now, for anybody that don't have a million, a lot of money in the bank, the best thing to do is probably just to basically focus on your short-term income. And when I mean short-term, I'm talking about your monthly cash flow. Because once you get your monthly cash flow up, let's say that you're making 10 grand, 20 grand a month, you can start doing a lot of things now, because you can actually take a percentage of that and start to grow your long-term investments. And most people, what they do is they basically take all their wealth and they throw it at the long-term investment, and they tie up their money, right? And you really don't want to do that, because you don't know if your long-term investment is going to work out. So focus. You should actually just focus on your short-term monthly cash flow, because that's going to fund everything. It's going to fund your swing trading. It's going to fund everything. So that's why I tell people to focus on, because that buy and hold strategy is cool, but it ties up your money. And if you look at the rich, study the rich doesn't tie up their money at all. They have a lot of money to play with. And the reason why they have a lot of money to play with, because they don't tie it up. They have a small percentage on their long-term investments, but that's it, a small percentage. They don't put all their wealth on one long-term investment in the hope that long-term investment works out. This is what I see a lot of YouTubers doing. A lot of YouTubers, a lot of people that's in the crypto world, and that's what they're doing. That's why I tell people, don't follow the crowd. The crowd is saying hodl, hodl, hodl. And like I said before, there's nothing wrong with hodling, but you have to look how the rich is pretty much making their money. They're not making money trying to wait 20, 40 years from now and hope things will work out. No, they actually making money now. Look at any self-made billionaire, millionaire. They are making cash flow every single month. Either it's from a business or whatever it is, but they having cash flow coming in. If it's for business or real estate, I don't care how they making their money. I guarantee you they have monthly cash flow coming in. Okay, so that's why I tell people to do that. Shout out to everybody that's here. Yes, NN said hit the likes. Shane, what's going on? So we are going to roll over. So yeah, I hope so, man. I don't think this market is gonna go up that far though. I really don't. I mean, honestly, if you look at this, we have crazy resistance right here. I don't see it going to here. I really don't. Because of the buy-in is so low. But even if it goes here, we have, like I told you guys, we have resistance right here, right? And this resistance is actually lining up, you know, with this downtrend right here, this line. So even if it does make it up here, we have a lot of resistance. But honestly, I don't think we will make it up here. But right now, I'm just waiting, chilling out, waiting for opportunities. But yes. Yes, just like NN said, don't forget to moon the like. So shout out to NN. And hit that subscriber button. Paul said I got my trigger on the trigger soon. I hear you, man. Let me hit that cha-ching button for Paul. Yes, exactly. Left lane, late November will definitely say a lot. So shout out to everybody that's joining me today. On 4th of July. And basically, for the people that don't have the course, since it's July 4th, I'm going to make this available for the whole day, because a lot of people have been emailing me and say, yo, man, I can't make these live streams. You know, I want the discount. I want the discount. So for the people that's looking at this replay right now, I'm going to, since it's July 4th, I'm going to make this 110 for the whole day. So okay, so you got the whole day to get the course, because I've been getting emails and saying, hey man, I can't make the live streams. So that's for you guys, okay? So shout out to the people that's watching the replay. It's 50% off right now on live stream, so shout out to you guys. So that right now, we just have to wait. Let's go to the 4 hour. And, you know, we had this little spike up. If you go to 1 hour, we're selling off. You definitely see that we're selling off in the 1 hour. But we'll see. I think we're going to have probably one more push up before we go down, or before we consolidate or do something. I think we're probably going to have one more push up to this level right here. I think they want to go to this level right here. It's definitely a key level right here. But we'll see. But like I said, guys, don't get it twisted. Everything is still intact. We are still in the bear market. No real buys. And like I said before, I don't really think a lot of people understand what's going on. I really don't think most YouTubers understand what's really going on. You know, they saying that we're going to the moon, we're going to 10K, but they don't really so giving you the truth, you said you bought the course, and you never received a good download. So I never given you the truth. You email me. What email did you use? Because I never received no email from you. But get it from the check your spam folder. Check your spam folder. Giving you the truth. And if you don't see it there, email me, okay? Here's my email address. If you don't see it there, email me. Hey, what's going on, Lord of the Boards? Just wanted to say I bought your course yesterday, and you make it seem, you make it look so easy. Just Just got to my first day. All right, that's what's up, man. So shout out to Lord of the Boards. Basically, he bought the course yesterday and he likes it. So shout out to him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. So giving you the truth, I told you. Okay, so giving you the truth says, sorry, Ben, you're right. It's in my spam folder. So shout out to giving you the truth. Don't worry about it. Giving you the truth. I'm not going to lash out at you. You know, we all are human beings, so we make mistakes. We make mistakes, you know. So I'm not going to lash out you, you know, because you made a mistake. So shout out to giving you the truth for supporting the channel. He checked his spam folder and he found the product. So shout out to him. Okay. All right. So 45. What's going on? 45. Rec is funny. Rec is funny. Shout out to Rec, man. Shout out to Rec. What's going on, buddy? What's going on, 45? Glad to see everybody here. Like I said before, right now my daughter is sleeping, so if she wakes up at any moment, I'm gonna end the live stream. But hopefully she will continue to sleep. So giving you the truth said I lost. Giving you the truth said I lost 50K last year in ICO scams. So guys, you know, this is why I tell you guys, this is why I told you that's why I don't promote ICOs on my channel, guys. That's why I don't promote ICO on my channel. Giving you the truth said he lost over 50K last year from ICO scams. Okay, and this is why I personally don't promote ICOs on my channel, because I don't want you guys to get burnt like that. I know what's going on. I know most of these ICOs are garbage. That's why when I see these YouTubers promoting these ICOs, I just shake my head like, you know, these guys are just strictly for the money. Because trust me, I could have been promote ICOs. I get emails pretty much every week for ICOs, okay? But I don't want to do that because I know that these ICOs are just garbage. And that's why I'm telling you guys that we are going to continue to go down, because there's a lot of scams in the market, right? There's no good reason why the market should be going up to 20K right now. There's no good reason why the market should be going up to 20K, because we have a lot of stuff that's going on behind the scenes, right? And people don't understand that. We have a lot of scams left and right. We have a lot of hacks going on left and right. And the government got to get rid of these guys in order to get the market back to its original state, so we can actually, you know, not be worried when we invest our money. People don't understand that. It's funny how these YouTubers saying, "Oh, we're going to 20K by the end of this year." They don't understand what's really going on. Right now, what we're seeing is just basically a cleanse. Right now, we are cleaning out the market. That's why we need to go down. Right? The market is infected, so we need to clean it out. And just like Giving You the Truth said he got scammed, this stuff is still going on. So shout out to Giving You the Truth, man. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that, Giving You the Truth. That's a lot of money. I know that you're feeling it right now. So that's a lot of money. So shout out to Giving You the Truth. But the good thing about that, Giving You the Truth, is tomorrow is a new day. I tell this to everybody. The beauty of life is you can actually press the reset button and basically, you know, have a new day. So me, Giving You the Truth, I lost over $85,000, you know, in my career, just basically, you know, trading and stuff. And I didn't give up. I could have gave up and said, you know what, I'm done with this, but I didn't give up. So that's why I'm able to do this full time, because I didn't give up and I continue to just basically go at it. So shout out to giving you the truth. I understand that hurts, man. I understand that hurts. So let's go back to the so Lord of Boy said I went through the whole course. Matter of fact, let me hit that cha-ching button for him, man. That's what I'm talking about. Lord of the Board said he went through the whole course today. Okay? That's what I'm talking about. That's when a guy, that's how you know he's serious. So shout out to Lord of the Boards. He went through the whole course. That's good, man. I appreciate it. What's going on, Shane? What's going on, Trev? Trev said, I just paused your course to listen to you live. Learning a lot, all right? So shout out to Trev. He's learning a lot. We need to get rid of these. Yeah, exactly. We need to get rid of these garbage coins. But, guys, you have to understand that these YouTubers is not going to tell you this. But I will tell you this, right? I will tell you this. In order to get rid of these coins, the market has to go down. It's just what it is. That's how the market get rid of these coins. It has to flush it out because when we go down, right? When we go down, these coins, the value of these coins are going to go down automatically, right? So these coins, the value of these coins is going to go down while we're going down. That's why you see these coins going down. That's why you see Bitcoin dominance is going up. You see Bitcoin dominance is going up. Why do you see that? Because when the market is going down, these coins are going down too, right? They losing their value. So this is why we have to continue to go down. It's just what it is. So you have to understand that. That's what happened in these other markets, and this is what's going to happen in this market. These scams can't continue. It can't continue. Enough is enough. These guys are basically becoming rich off of lying to people. And then you got these YouTubers that's going to continue to do these ICOs. Honestly, I can't wait for the government to make that illegal to review ICOs. I can't wait for that because these guys, these YouTubers, continue to review ICOs knowing that these ICOs is not going to go nowhere. They know that. They know that, and they still continue to do it. So why would you want to burn your subscribers like that? Think long term. Don't think short term. Okay. So let's go back to these. How many dead coins are there right now? I don't know. It probably. I know. I went to a article. They said over 1,000. So over 1,000 right now went dead, but I don't know how many exactly. How many? Wreck. So let's go back to the chat room. Dom said, "You a kind man. God bless you, brother. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, Dom." So, Buddy said, "What do you think about the BTC ETFs? Bullish?" No, I don't think that's bullish at all, because we saw what happened with the futures. Okay, so we saw what happened with the futures. So why do you think the ETFs will be different? Just because it's an ETF? It's not like these guys are coming into the crypto world. You know, you guys have to understand. It's not like they're coming into cryptocurrencies. They're not going to a cryptocurrency exchange. They're just making a copycat, right? An ETF. ETF is not the real thing. Let's go back to the chat room. All right. Shout out to Masai. Oh, man. All right. 45 was, he said he was practicing trend lines and channels. Then I noticed Ben was on live. I hear that, man. That's what's up. Shout out to 45. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. That's what I'm talking about. Practicing and studying. That's what I'm talking about, man. Shout out to 45. Businessman said I was reading a book and saw Ben went to live. So shout out to Businessman reading that book. Okay, that's a good thing to do. educate yourself, you know. Let's go back to the chat room. Oh, what's going on? Giving you the truth. Giving you the truth. Hit me up with a super chat. So shout out to him. Okay, shout out to Giving You the Truth. He hit me up with a super chat. He actually bought the course yesterday, and he supported the channel. So shout out to him. Let me hit that ching button for him again. And basically, he lost a lot of money last year, and now he wants to just educate himself and learn how the market works. So shout out to him, man. I told him that that the beauty of life is you can actually press the reset button. You can change your life. Every day is a new day. So you can change your life, but it's up to you. You know, it's up to you if you want to continue to worry about what happened in the past, or you just want to understand that you have a new day now and you can actually make things better. I told you guys for 8 years straight, my life been horrible. My life was horrible. So, you know, I could have gave up a long time ago, but I didn't. Because I knew every day was a new day. I knew every day was a new day. So shout out to Giving You Truth for that super chat, that $10 super chat. Join. How you doing, Andrew? Just joined. Have you explained the moving average yet? No. What do you want to know about the moving average? So I was almost a victim to the BitConnect until I joined Ben stuff. Shout out to the Left Lane. He said he was almost a victim to the BitConnect crisis and until he joined the channel. And shout out to everybody that lost money with that BitConnect situation. That's a sad situation. But you know, you just have to learn. That's it. And you have to understand, guys. To be honest with you, a lot of people that got caught up with the BitConnect stuff, they didn't learn. They didn't learn. A lot of people just didn't learn. You know, you have a lot of people that lost a lot of money and they still don't try to educate themselves and try to learn how the market works. You know, you still have people that lost a lot of money and trying to make a quick buck. A lot of people, the reason why a lot of people pretty much is not going to change is because they did have that quick buck mentality, right? They want to make $1 million overnight, so they look for the latest scheme in ICO, thinking that ICO is going to bring them $1 million overnight. So these guys will never change, and they just trying to look for that quick buck. They don't want to study the market and figure out how this market works. That's why you see them buying the bottoms and stuff, right? They're trying to time the bottom, thinking every dip is the bottom, and they losing a lot of money because they don't want to educate themselves, right? So a lot of guys that lost on BitConnect, they still the same. They still the same. They're just looking for another scheme so they can actually see if they can get rich overnight. So shout out to everybody that lost money on that BitConnect scheme. I know what your guys is going through, you know. But like I said, tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a new day. So honestly, he said, honestly, I short all my TRX. I had some money in GOT Chain and Go Chain because the market cap is 20 million. It got 300% in a week. So you shorted TRX and you made 300% in a week. Am I reading that correctly? Let me see. So Giving You the Truth said I'm hitting that reset button. All right. So shout out to Giving You the Truth. Let me hit that ching button for him. He decided to hit that reset button. And for all you guys that's watching this replay, because a lot of people emailing me, a lot of people just, you know, they email me and say, Ben, I can't make your live streams. And they want to take advantage of the discount. So shout out to everybody that's watched the live stream since today is July 4th. If you are watching this replay right now, today is July 4th. So since it's July 4th, I will have the discount on for the whole day. Okay, so for the guys that can't make it through these live streams, right now is 50% off for the whole day since it's July 4th. So just for the guys that's watching this replay, okay? And shout out to everybody that's watching this. Shout out to everybody that's watching this live stream right now. I just copy and paste the thing if you want to take advantage of that. So you said no, I made 300 profit from Gold Chain. Okay, it did a spike. Okay, I hear you. Okay, I see what you're talking about. That's what's up. I'm glad to see you making money though. I'm glad to see you making money. Let me hit that cha-ching button from you. Hitting that, making that 300%. Right now we are above the 50, Andrew. Right now we are above the 50 right now. So we are above the 50. So right now I'm not looking for no shorts, no nothing. I'm chilling out. But the overall, yeah, the overall picture is still bearish. Yes, you know, the overall picture is still bearish. But right now I'm not looking for no shorts. We don't need to be looking for no shorts right now. The market is doing some doing a temporary pullback, like the market likes to do. And so let me show you something, guys. Okay, let me show you something real quick. So you see how these pullbacks, you see how we had this big pullback right here. We had this big pullback right here. Now, are we going to have a big pullback right here? I don't think so, but I'm going to show you how these pullbacks are getting smaller. So you see how we had this big pullback right here. So let me take this pullback and let me basically compare it to this pullback. Okay, notice that this pullback was much bigger. This pullback was much bigger than this pullback. So let's go down and bring this down, right? And let's copy and paste it from here. And basically this pullback, I'm not most likely this pullback is going to be shorter. So every time the market pulls back a lot, it gets shorter and shorter. So like I said before, these two levels right here I'm looking for. Okay, so let me do that again for you guys that didn't see that. So every time the market did these steep pullbacks, every time it did a steep pullback, it's getting shorter and shorter. So this is a big pullback right here. We had this pullback right here, which is, it got smaller, never reached this one. So let's go back right here. Okay, so if the market decides to pull back a lot this time again, I don't think it will go up to this level, because every time it pulled back a lot, it gets shorter and shorter. Okay, so most likely it'll probably pull back anywhere in this area right here. So do I think it will go this high? I don't think so, but it's a possibility. You know, so I told you right here, this is a good resistance level. And plus we have this down channel right here. So we have to just be patient and wait. But the overall trend is down. Yes, it's still down. We still are in a bear market. And don't let these bears trick you, because I trust me, the mistakes that you guys are making right now, I made them already. I thought all these bottoms, I tried to time bottoms like crazy. My whole career, I lost my whole, I just lost so much money doing that. You know, so let me show you guys. Let me show you the crashes before, because I know I showed you guys before last year. I mean, last time we crashed. But if you forgot, let me show you again. So this is 2013 when we was crashing. Okay, you see how we got this triple bottom? We have a bottom right here, a bottom right here, and a bottom right here. So basically, that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3 bottoms, right? So notice that it broke this low right here. So that's what we're seeing right now. You're seeing this. It's breaking this low right here. It broke this low. Now we're going up. Okay, so same thing right here, right? We broke this low right here, which is this low, and now we're going up. Okay, but notice that it went up to this trend line, sold off a little bit, and went back up again. Now, will we do that again this year? I don't think so, because the market is so weak that I don't think it has enough buyers to go up, shoot up again like that. Okay, well, what I think what's going to happen is the same thing happened in the NASDAQ. Okay, this is the NASDAQ right here in 2000 when we had that .com boom. we had three bottoms. We had 1, 2, and 3. Okay, notice that it hit the low of this triple bottom right here. And notice that how we bounced up, right? Notice how we bounced up, we went down, and we went right back up. So we made a double top right here. This is what I'm thinking Bitcoin is going to do. I think Bitcoin is going to go up maybe a little bit more, go down, have a double top, same thing like the NASDAQ, and then continue to go down. If you notice that even in 2013, we had a double top, right? Before we went down and continued to go down and crash, okay? So we had a double top right here. So let me show you right here. So we went up, acting like we was going to go up back to the highs, but we never did. So we had a top right here, and then they're trying to go up back to the top again, this double top right here, and then we went right back down. So just be prepared for that double top, because I don't think it's going to go straight down at first. I think we're going to have a double top, and then most likely we're going to go down. So be prepared for that, okay, guys? So I had to show you guys that just in case you forgot how this market works. Okay, we have these triple bottoms, right? They fake everybody out on the last triple bottom, right? Everybody think, oh my gosh, it's bullish. You see, it broke this triangle. We going to the moon, and then it fakes everybody, and it continue to go down. So this is the 2013 when Bitcoin crashed, and this is the NASDAQ when we had that .com boom. And this is why I'm showing you, because the .com boom is very similar to Bitcoin, what we're going on right now, because we have a lot of scams going on, and a lot of these coins, I'm telling you guys, a lot of these coins are useless, right? A lot of people just don't understand that. A lot of these coins. Let's go down the list. Like, come on, guys. Let's go down the list. Some of these coins you probably don't even know about, right? Like, what are these coins are doing, right? I never heard of some of these coins, right? We could go down on this list. These coins are not doing anything. They're not doing anything in the real world. They're just being parked. They have a lot of money. So, okay, let's keep on going down. And let's look at a coin, okay? Any coin, pick any coin. Wagon. I never heard of Wagon before, or Wagger. Okay, so Wagger is worth $26 million, right? $26 million. What the heck is Wagger doing? Okay, what are they doing in the real world? They're not producing no revenue. I'm quite sure they don't probably have no employees, no nothing. So the government knows that. The government say, okay, these coins are useless. There's no way in the world these coins should be worth this much. Just like the .com boom, a lot of these coins, a lot of these companies, they just put .com on the back of their company, and they all of a sudden they was worth millions of dollars. But they didn't have no revenue, they didn't have no real operations, and it crashed. And this is what we're seeing right now. And so the market crashed in 2000 when we had a .com boom, and it had to continue to go down because like I told you before, in order to wipe these guys out, we had to go down. So the market was crashing, and it continued to go down to wipe these guys out, to wipe all the nasty companies that didn't really have no real operations. So that's what we're seeing right now. Just have to be patient. But that's what we're seeing right now. Don't get fooled. The volume is low. The volume tell me everything. It tells me that there's no real buying right now. And don't let people fool you. These YouTubers, they're gonna say 10K. They're gonna say 11K. They're gonna say all this K's. But don't let this. If you study your market and you learn how your market works, trust me, you will have more confidence, and you wouldn't listen to these guys. That's why I'm showing you these bear markets and showing you how these bear markets work. Okay, these other YouTubers, they can't show you this stuff because they don't do this stuff. They don't study. They don't study history. They don't study how things work. Right? The only thing they do is go to the news and read everything word by word. Okay, I'm showing you guys how the bear market works, and I'm doing it so you guys won't get burnt. Okay, so this is 10 years of experience. So the mistakes that most people are making right now, I made it already. Plenty of times I made it. So I'm trying to like make you guys not lose a lot of money. So let's go back to the chat room so I won't so I can read these comments. Hey, what's going on? So you on a little break at work? Listen to it. All right. So shout out to Keith. Keith is on a little break at work. All right. So shout out to Keith. He said that he's learning, and and that's the that's the beauty of learning. You're gonna make mistakes while you learn, but don't think your mistake is just something bad. A mistake is something good because you're gonna get smarter. Unless you don't consciously know that, you know what I'm saying? Like if you don't understand how mistakes work and how they actually could help you get to the next level, then yes, you won't learn from your mistakes and your mistakes won't make you smarter. But if you understand how mistakes work and how you can actually capitalize on your mistakes, then yes, every time you make a mistake, you will get smarter. So shout out to Keith. He's learning from his mistakes. Right now, like I said, I'm not looking for no shorts right now. The market is up, and most likely we will probably go to this high right here. It continue to go up, maybe around here, maybe we wiggle around in this channel right here. We'll see. But like I said, don't expect the market to go straight down at first. You might have a down movement and then pull back to have like a maybe double top, and then we might reverse. So just be careful for you guys that's looking to buy the bottoms just because your favorite YouTuber said it, right? So let's go back to the chat room. So shot 45 said, luckily didn't lose too much. All right, that's what's up, man. But Keith been making money, so he's still up. Keith is still up. He's been making money. So that's the beauty of having your winners outdo your losers, because even if you make a mistake, your winners will basically take care of your mistakes. So that's the beauty of having that. So let's go back to the chat room. Good thing my daughter is still sleeping. I told you guys at any moment this live stream could be done because she's sleeping right now and I'm babysitting. So Andrew said, nice analyst, bro. Thanks a lot, Andrew. Thanks a lot. Guys, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I gotta check on my daughter. Give me 1 minute. Hey, what's going on, guys? So she woke up. Right now she's she's in my hand right now, but let's see if she's gonna act up. I'm holding her right now. She's on my lap, so but she did wake up. Let me see if I can go through some questions before she starts to act up. Let me see what's going on. Red coin. I'm reading these comments, guys, so let me see what's going on. So Lord of the Boy said, I made the same mistakes, not going to happen no more. Yeah. So guys, when I first started, guys, Man, I was making so much mistakes. It's ridiculous. I was, I was taking trades that I know I shouldn't be taking. Right. I was trying to go. I was trying to say, okay, the market's going down, and I'm taking a trade, and I know I shouldn't be taking this trade, but I still take it. So sometimes you just have to go through that to understand. Understand you have to follow the plan and stuff. So Roderick said, bought your course, made $400 on a swing up and down. So shout out to Roderick. Let me copy and paste that testimonial because that's what I'm doing these days. Okay, that's what I'm doing these days. I'm copying and pasting these testimonials. So Roderick made $400 on a swing up and shorts. So he shorted and he made on the way up. So let me hit that ching button for him. Shout out to Roderick. Okay, thank you for supporting the channel. Cody said, do you think it's smart to hold until the end of this year? Well, like I said before, Cody, I can't give no financial advice, but at the same time, it all depends on how much you have on these coins. If you have a lot of money on these coins and you don't have no other money coming in, then if it was me, personally, then I would probably sell some. If that's my whole wealth, if I'm tying up my whole wealth in these coins, then yeah, personally, I would sell some, but that, like I said, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. So James said, I just finished your course. So shout out to James, man. Let me hit that ching button. James said he just finished the course. I'm glad to see that, James. I'm glad to see that. So let's go through these questions right now because the little one is on my lap. The little one's on my lap. How you doing, mama? All right. So she's looking at the screen like, what's going on? What he's doing? What he's talking? Who he's talking to? He's talking to the computer. So let me read these comments. So Sandy said, what's good, Ben? Finally made 160. Looking forward for more. So let me copy and paste that testimonial, guy. Sandy, Mr. Sandy made $160, man. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Let me hit that ching button for him, okay? Let me copy and paste that first. Let me copy and paste that first. But shout out to Sandy. He made $160. And he's looking forward to making some more. So let me hit that ching button for him. All right. Shout out to Mr. Sandy, man. That's what's up, bro. I like that. I like when people are making money. Okay? Yeah! Because think about it, guys. Think about it. The people that have been buying and holding ever since January, they haven't been making no money. They haven't been making no money. So seeing people come on this live stream and telling me that they making money it makes me feel good because this whole year nobody been making money. Nobody that's holding right now is making money. So for you guys that come on this live stream and tell me that you make money, I'm proud of you guys because now you can actually see the light and see how things work. It's not all about buying and holding. So shout out to Mr. Sandy. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him one more time. Yeah! All right. Shout out to Mr. Sandy. That's what's up, man. Dom said Dom, who is, oh yeah, Keith is at work. Yeah, Keith is at work. So shout out to everybody that's on this live stream. If you don't have my course basically shows you how to actually make money right now. Like you see, my students is making money. Basically, if you want to read the market, if you want to learn how the different cycles work, right now we're in the bear cycle. So if you want to learn that, if you want to learn how to read the trend, learn different patterns so you can actually make money in the current situation that we're in right now. Right now, the market is going down, so me and my students are making money right now. If you still buy and hold, you know, it doesn't matter. You still can actually still make money. So this will show you how to make money in the bull market, in the bear market. And that's the unique thing about this. So it basically shows you how to be a professional, because a professional basically makes money whether it's go up or down. Okay, that's what I do full time. This is why I'm able to do it full time, because I just don't buy. Because a lot of people don't understand that every year can't be an up year. Some years we're gonna have down years, and you have to accept that. But you can actually still make money while we're having a down year. So shout out to everybody that's support the channel. So if you want to support the channel, definitely take advantage of this 50% discount, because the original price is $210. Okay, I have, you know, a lot of testimonials on this live stream, so I can go down. Cupcake made $400, Kevin made $130, you see $40, $400. So I have a whole bunch of testimonials right here. Okay, people that's making money. So shout out to everybody that's making money with this. If you want to take advantage of that, definitely hit this. Definitely go to this to the link. I'm gonna have, since it's July 4th. I'm gonna have this link. I'm gonna have the discount open the whole day, because people have been emailing me and say, "Yo, man, I can't make it to your live stream, but I want the 50% discount." So shout out to you guys that's watching the replay. It's your chance. I'm gonna have the thing open for the whole day. So shout out to you guys. And the little one is on my lap. So for right now, she's acting good. She's just looking at me saying, "Who I'm talking to?" She's like, "Who Daddy talking to?" But you know, most likely I'm gonna have to get off this thing soon, because I'm gonna have to feed her. James said, "Can we do the opposite now? Go long until resistance go up to short." Me personally, I don't like going long in the bear market, because you don't know how long the pullbacks will last. So imagine you going long right here, James. Imagine you going long right here. You see how the market didn't go nowhere and you got stopped out. Imagine you go long right here. The market don't go nowhere. You got stopped out. Imagine you going long right here. You get stopped out. Imagine you going long right here. So that's why me personally, I don't go long in the bear market, because you don't know how long the rally will last. But guys, I'm about to get out of here because she's acting up. She's acting up. So shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. Thanks for coming through. And shout out to everybody coming through for July 4th. But I have to go feed the little one. And so thanks for everybody for stopping by. If you want to take advantage of this 50% off, the link is in below. So thanks a lot, guys, for coming through. And I hope everybody have a good day. And make sure you study, and make sure that you just spend time with your family and whatever, and have a good day. So happy 4th to everybody, and have a good day. All right, talk to you guys later.